Hello, I am Avinash Mehrotra and I will be talking about automation testing today. The agenda of this presentation is first we will be discussing about the automation pitfalls, then about our unique automation testing solution through QTP, which is the QTP robot framework. Then we will be talking about the benefits that we achieve when we use the QTP robot framework and the road ahead. So let's start with automation pitfalls. I have listed down some of the points which make any automation process complex and slow. The first point is multiple systems. In any automation project, we come across multiple systems such as object repository, quick test functional libraries, test data Excel files, environment files, and test script. We know that object repository is the collection of objects in the application. The function library is the collection of the reusable generic functions that we create. Test data Excel files are workbooks where the test data is stored and from where the test data is fed into tests. Environment files are files which contain environment variables which can be assessed throughout the automation process, and test script is individual scripts for all the test cases. Now when I am developing a automation test case, I have to go and update multiple systems and then my test case will be called complete. In the process of updating these multiple systems and to ensure that they are working together and shaking hands and exchanging information correctly within each other, we make the automation development process a little complex and slow. Then the next point I have is the framework. Most companies who think that automation resources are not available in the market and it's good to go with a framework which is helpful, user friendly, generic, and which anyone can work upon even without having automation scripting language, they go for a framework. Now these frameworks, keyword driven frameworks or hybrid frameworks, act as a wrapper on the automation tool. First of all, the automation tool itself is giving us the space to automate test cases, but what we do is we go ahead and write wrapper frameworks on top of it, which makes already existing multiple systems more complex by creating a layer above them. Now we have to work on two layers. One is the automation framework and the other is the automation tool systems which we are using. And then again, the project manager would want that the naming conventions, coding standards are maintained and that the review of different automation scripts is done, peer review is done in the team, and domain knowledge is also a factor because if you don't know the workflow, you may end up wasting a lot of time figuring out the test case or talking to manual testers also. So these are some factors which make the automation testing development slow and complex. The drawbacks are obvious: slow and complex automation development, slow and complex automation execution. Execution is slow because again, when QTP starts running the tests, it has to interact with all these multiple systems plus this wrapper framework which is written on the automation tool. The same theory goes for debugging and integration also. If your script fails or if you want to figure out what is wrong anywhere, you have to again go and check in multiple systems, and integration also. So if you design a test case, I have to see that all the systems and the framework are in sync, and then only the test case will be rendered complete. And because of all these, even the maintenance becomes complex, and upgrade in case of UI changes or new functionality coming in, even the upgrade becomes a little complex. So in effect, what happens, the project time and cost goes up, the regression time and cost also goes up, and this cost and time loss is in every release when we set up the regression testing. And so in effect, the return of investment is low and the quality also suffers because we are lost in a web of so many complicated systems that our automation doesn't become so effective. We are not able to execute fast, we are not able to develop fast, we are not able to run multiple times on multiple environments and settings, and it affects the quality of our testing. So what is the solution of all the above pitfalls that comes with any automation project? The solution is a very lightweight automation framework which takes care of all multiple systems at one place. That is, it provides a single system which can take care of all these things, and that it doesn't act as big as a wrapper with lots of functionalities, but just complements the automation process. So we have, after years of research and working across various domains, various companies, various size and shapes of projects, large size projects, multi-vendor model, and in different technologies, we have realized that automation, the real end value of automation can be achieved only when we are able to do away with these drawbacks and are able to execute our automation scripts in batches perfectly. So for this we have come up with a innovative solution and a lightweight framework which we call a QTP robot framework. This the robot framework works on 4 simple steps which I call RAID. So the 4 steps are read, arrange, insert and drive. Out of all these 4 steps, only the insert part is manual. The read part is automated, arrange part is automated, and drive part is automated. The read script, there is a reader script which reads the UI and captures it in a workbook. So all the elements in your UI in the whole complete application is captured in workbooks. And then this script also arranges, it structures workbook as per needs. It will ask you questions, and when you feed in data, it will also arrange the structure, arrange the books in a particular way. And then we are supposed to insert data, actions and keywords into form different flows. Now this is the main part, which is a manual part, but here you don't need any scripting language, and even a BA or a manual tester can just feed in data, actions and keywords. That we have a keyword lookup table with hardly 10 keywords which can take care of even complex projects, and actions are very simple, and data, of course, any manual tester or BA working will know the data. And then after all this is done, we use the driver script to execute whatever flows we fed in the worksheets, and these flows are executed on the application automatically. Now this saves a lot of time, and a lot of time in development and execution also. So after we implemented this QTP robot framework on a couple of projects, we came up with some metrics, and the benefits that are listed here are true to my knowledge, and we can even do a POC with you to prove the benefits. So let me first go through the benefits. Automation development speed increases many folds. It's not like percentage increase. The speed increases many folds, since we don't have to do anything except keying in data and actions. So the speed increase is almost 20 to 30 times. So what I mean to say here is that what an average team delivers in a month, we can deliver almost in a day. Extremely high, a day or a couple of days. Extremely high automation execution speed. Now since it's a very lightweight architecture and there are not many systems involved, the execution speed is very fast. Extremely low maintenance and easy debugging. Since everything is maintained in Excel, you can use Excel tools of copy, paste, drag, drop or fill series, etc. to really maintain your suite very easily. And the debugging is very easy because of a unique feature that we have in our framework, that is the print log. So for every line executed, we get a print log, and even if the script fails or there is a stoppage somewhere, you will have a detailed description in the print log, which is always open, and you can even see it getting filled while execution. The another low maintenance part is that we have just 500 lines of code. Many projects, even simple projects, will end up with 20,000 to 30,000 lines of code when 6 to 7 resources work for around 6 months. So they generate a lot of line of codes, but since it's a robot framework, it intelligently figures out everything. We hardly have 500 lines of code. And easy migration to UI changes or different environments. So in case the UI has changed, or you're working in an agile workshop where the UI code drops are frequent and the UI changes, or we have different environments, SIT, UAT, stuff like that, where you want to migrate your automation suite or you want to run your automation suite, we can do it with high ease. All this gets summarized here in the last point, where we are saying that there is high ROI on automation because majorly because we save a lot of time and less project time is invested in regression testing. So if you release today, we can just run the automation suite and it will complete the execution in a day for thousands of test cases maybe on multiple systems, and you can really test and point out the bugs real early. So what is the road ahead? The presentation doesn't show the demo of the automation of the QTP robot framework. So we are looking for an opportunity to come to your place, understand your project and do a proof of concept for your project, and then we will show you a demo of our framework, robot framework on your product, and we are ready to do it free of cost. We just need an opportunity to come and interact with you guys. After that, we propose the following generally to anyone, like we would like to have we will develop automation suite of test cases, say 1,000 test cases, and we will deliver those test cases. The suite will be a deliverable, and the complete sharing of framework intellectual property rights. So whatever learnings and the framework, all the scripts will be shared and placed on the company's work drive, and we will set up the complete framework and the suite and even execute it on your environment. And we will also train your automation team on all the above points, and we will also support on automation related issues if any, and we will complete all the above activities in just 2 to 3 months, so that we can start using automation early in the project. And of course, the next step would be to sit and discuss this and go ahead and try to frame a contract and finalize everything. Thank you.